Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Indoor gardening thrives with the right equipment, and choosing the right lighting is essential. The best grow lights for indoor plants provide the perfect spectrum and intensity to help your greenery flourish, boosting growth, health, and vibrant foliage effortlessly. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Spider Farmer SF1000 LED Grow Light. The Spider Farmer SF1000 LED Grow Light is a top-tier choice for indoor gardeners who want consistent, high-quality growth for their plants. Utilizing cutting-edge Samsung LM301H EVO LEDs, this light delivers an impressive efficiency of 3.14 micromoles per joule PPE per diode, outclassing competitors like the LM301B, LM301H, and BridgeLux 3030. Its fanless design ensures completely silent operation, making it perfect for home or office environments where noise could be disruptive. The light provides a full spectrum suitable for all growth stages, including white, blue, red, and IR wavelengths, with 3000 K producing more reddish light and 5000 K more bluish light. Plants receive the optimum spectrum for both vegetative growth and flowering. The 660nm red and IR light is particularly effective during bloom, accelerating flowering and improving yields. The SF1000's new diode layout, where LEDs are gathered at the edges, enhances PPFD uniformity and ensures light penetrates deeply into the canopy for consistent high-quality results. A dimming knob allows growers to adjust intensity freely, and the light is compatible with GGS controllers for scheduled on-off cycling. Its solid construction includes a thick aluminum heatsink, protective cable covers, and a high-efficiency driver to dissipate heat effectively. With durable components and thoughtful design, the Spider Farmer SF1000 offers long-lasting performance and excellent value, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Number 2. Mars Hydro TS1000 LED Grow Light. The Mars Hydro TS1000 LED Grow Light is designed for both novice and experienced indoor gardeners seeking a highly efficient, full-spectrum solution. Its upgraded white reflector hood, patented for optimal performance, increases light utilization by 25%, allowing plants to absorb more energy for healthier growth. The TS1000 features a new diode layout, dense in the middle and sparse on the edges, providing more uniform coverage than older designs. This layout is ideal for 2.5 by 2.5 foot grow areas with maximum coverage up to 3 by 3 feet, ensuring plants receive evenly distributed light. Consuming only 150 W, the TS1000 is energy efficient, capable of replacing a 250 W HPS lamp while delivering 30% higher yields. Its full spectrum lighting spans 3200 to 6800 K, red infrared 730 to 740 nanometers, and more, catering to all plant growth stages from seedling to flowering. Rapid plant response and improved crop quality are assured with this well-balanced spectrum. The light also includes a dimming feature with independent control, adjustable from 0 to 100%, allowing precise intensity management for different plant stages. Daisy chaining up to 50 LEDs with a single power supply makes it convenient for larger setups. Compatible with 120 to 277 volts, the TS1000 is versatile and suitable for both small indoor spaces and larger commercial grow rooms. Its durable construction and high-efficiency LEDs ensure longevity and reliable performance. Number 3. VIVOSUN AeroLight A100 SE LED Grow Light. The VIVOSUN AeroLight A100 SE LED Grow Light is a high-efficiency, cost-effective option for indoor gardening enthusiasts who prioritize energy savings without compromising plant performance. Using advanced 2.75 U-mol per J full-spectrum LED technology, this 100-watt grow light delivers optimal light output for areas up to 2 by 2 feet, with maximum coverage of 2 by 4 feet, ensuring uniform illumination across the canopy. The VIVOSUN A100 SE features a dimmable ballast with 4 adjustable levels, providing precise light control according to plant needs, and a daisy chain function that reduces clutter by connecting multiple lights to one socket.
Its slim profile allows flexible placement, accommodating a variety of plant heights and arrangements. Noise-free operation is ensured with no fan design, while an efficient heat sink and ventilation system prevent heat damage, protecting plants while maintaining energy efficiency. The AeroLight A100 SE combines affordability with high-performance engineering, making it an excellent choice for indoor gardeners looking to balance cost and output.
Number 4. SANSI 36W LED Grow Light Bulb. The SANSI 36W LED Grow Light Bulb is a compact yet powerful solution for indoor plant enthusiasts seeking energy efficiency without sacrificing light quality. With a ppfd of 603 mmol per second per meter squared at 1 foot, this bulb ensures superior light absorption for faster, healthier plant growth. Despite consuming only 30 watts, it delivers energy equivalent to a 450-watt incandescent bulb, allowing gardeners to save up to 90% on electricity costs, with estimated annual usage under typical schedules. Unique replaceable bulbs distinguish it from competitors, allowing easy maintenance and long-term savings, reducing the need to replace the entire fixture. Patented ceramic technology replaces traditional aluminum substrates, reducing thermal resistance, improving heat conduction, and enhancing reliability for higher efficiency and longer lifespan. This design ensures consistent performance and reduces the risk of plant damage due to overheating. SANSI also provides a whole-life warranty, reflecting confidence in the durability of their product. Ideal for small-scale indoor setups, balconies, or supplementary lighting, this bulb offers flexible, reliable, and high-quality light tailored to plant needs. Number 5. LBW LED Grow Light with Flexible Gooseneck. The LBW LED Grow Light with Flexible Gooseneck is a versatile, user-friendly solution for indoor gardeners seeking full spectrum coverage and easy adjustability. Its upgraded tripod stand extends from 15 to 48 inches, enabling optimal placement for plants of various heights. The flexible gooseneck allows precise angling, ensuring every plant receives the spectrum it needs for vigorous growth. Delivering a full spectrum of 390 to 730 nanometers, including white, 3500 and 6500K, its compact design, adjustable height, and high-quality LEDs ensure that plants receive the right intensity and spectrum, promoting strong growth, abundant foliage, and higher yields. For anyone seeking an efficient, reliable, and easy-to-use grow light for indoor plants, the LBW LED Grow Light with Flexible Gooseneck offers practical functionality and impressive performance, enhancing an indoor gardening experience. Choosing the right grow light can transform your indoor gardening results. From the high-efficiency Spider Farmer SF1000 to the flexible LBW Gooseneck, each option offers unique features, full spectrum coverage, and an energy-saving performance. Whether for seedlings, flowering, or full growth cycles, these top-rated grow lights ensure healthier plants, higher yields, and a more productive indoor gardening experience for enthusiasts of all levels.